boy DJ, and I am back for another vlog. All right, today is my 25th birthday. Y'all, I am in Houston, Texas with my twin brother. We are serving. As you can see, I got this outfit on today. You know, I'm stepping. I don't know if y'all can see the kicks, but got the Steve Maddens on. But we're finna go get the rental car. What's up, YouTube? So we just made it to Enterprise, the car rental place. So we are finna get this car, and I want to show you guys what the car look like. So let me show you. We got the Mustang right here. So we're gonna go to brunch, and we're finna turn up because it's our birthday. All right, continue to watch the vlog. What's up, YouTube? So me and my brother, we just made it to the turkey leg hunt in our Mustang drop top. We are celebrating our 25th birthday today, and we are at the turkey leg hunt. Hold on, let me see. Maybe I can see, but we're at the turkey leg hunt, and it's just a... So we're gonna go in here and I'm gonna bring it. Alright, y'all, so we just got the turkey leg hunt, and let me tell y'all, their food is amazing. Like, look at this presentation. Hold on. And look at this drink. It came so fast. Like, we ordered at 3:11. It's 3:18. She said, "Hey, YouTube."
Hey, YouTube.
What's going on?
Turkey leg hunt.
Yes, Pierce, Houston, Texas.
Miami.
Nashville, Tennessee.
Will you pick it up in the
Oh,
enjoy, baby.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's recording, so I'm trying this for the first time. But this is so good. I'm having a little sick, but this is so good. This is my favorite because of this Alfredo turkey leg. It has rice in it. I thought it was just Alfredo, and it has shrimp. Like, it's so good. So, I'm gonna continue to eat my food and drink my drink. That's all. So what's up, YouTube? So the turkey leg hunt was the best experience for me and my brother. How was it, D? Yeah, it was definitely lit. So now we are heading to Happy Hour Hookah Lounge, and we're gonna grab us a drink, and then we're heading back to the hotel to get ready. And yeah, so I'll continue to watch the vlog. Good morning, YouTube family. I am back. This is day 2 in Houston, Texas. Y'all, it is Thursday, and as you see, I am looking good. I am feeling good. So today we are about to go to brunch, and then we're going to a cute little hookah lounge and bar. And then we're going to turn up tonight at the club. So y'all, it's gonna be a beautiful day. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. Here at this art museum, and it's so nice in here. I'm gonna give y'all a tour, so get ready for the museum. Now this is lit. YouTube. So today is day 3, last day in Houston, Texas. Again, I'm looking good. I'm feeling good. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. Yesterday was lit. I went to Parma and I didn't get to vlog because like I was just trying to enjoy myself, like take a break from vlogging. But we are at Prospect, happy hour, and then we're going to the mall, and then we have a whole day planned. I actually called my Southwest plane ticket customer service to rebook my plane ticket. So all right, y'all, let's go ahead and go into here. So it is the last night in Houston, Texas. We are walking to Space nightclub. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm gonna wrap it up and subscribe and like this video. Bye. Till next time. We are heading back to Nashville, Tennessee. Houston was lit. Me and my brother will definitely be back. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. And that's on what? Period. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. like, comment, subscribe. Bye.